Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. So guys, on this video I am cooking. I'm coming up with some cooking inspiration, guys. If you love cooking, you love baking, this is a video for you. So I was cooking my favorite. They call it SAMP, ne? But I grew up they calling it istamp. I'm cooking stamp and beans, sugar beans, my favorite, guys. Oh, my favorite Zulu food. Seriously, that's one of my favorite food. I can eat the whole week without even getting tired. So on that first clip you saw earlier on, I was actually trying to bake a cake. I did bake one, but I couldn't get time to decorate it, so I couldn't finish the video. It was 14th of August, which is Independence Day in Pakistan. So I wanted to bake a cake and decorate it with Pakistani flag, but the time was not on my side. Yeah, so I was baking some biscuits for my aunt. Her mother-in-law had passed away, so we had to send some biscuits there. So I said, okay, let me take you guys along, and then while I'm at it, I can share the recipe, and you can also just have a look while I'm cooking my favorite. Okay guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. I'll write some of the things, I'll talk in there. If it's your first time and you love cooking, you love baking, stick around. Thank you so much for being here. So here I had already finished checking my beans for any stones and all that I don't need. Now I went to wash it nicely, then I came to boil it. I put vinegar. They say vinegar helps with gas. This other lady that I know who's like a mother to me, I learned a lot from her. She told me I must always put vinegar, so I always put vinegar, and I find out it does help with gas. You don't get to be too gassy if you put vinegar on your beans. Yeah, and then baking powder just to make it fast. It must cook fast. Since I didn't even soak the beans, I just decided the weather was just allowing. I said, you know what, let me make this food that I love so much. Okay guys, here I'm starting to bake. I'm just quickly just showing you all the ingredients here, but I'll write everything for you guys down. It will be easy for you like that.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
So I like to crack my eggs one by one to make sure that if ever I come across the rotten egg, it doesn't ruin the whole thing that I'm trying to make. Yeah, so I know it just takes forever to do like this, but it's for the best in case I come across one of the rotten eggs.
It's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know it's gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know it's gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up
if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go. Boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go. Boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you
So guys, we baked about 20 liter of biscuits. We sent 15 and then we were left with the rest. I just separated some, give it to my mom, some just a little. But the thing is, completely forgot to show when we finish baking. You're gonna see as I will be taking out the tray at the end here. We finished late and the electricity went and I completely forgot. So I'm just showing you at the end how it looks, but I completely forgot to show you guys like the whole thing. Otherwise, I'm supposed to make this video, especially the biscuit parts, I'm supposed to make it for my cooking channel, but I said, you know what, it's not a professional video. I need to show everything in detail if I'm making a video that side for the cooking channel. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys here. Yeah, so here I'm starting with my stamp and beans, guys. Just use just only 4, which is paprika, cayenne pepper, iraja, and what else did I use? Chicken stock. Yeah, that's it. Chicken cube. Yeah, that's all that I use on my stem and beans. Obviously you need to adjust it according to how much you've made. Yeah, so I made quite a lot. Firstly, I start with less spices. As I go on cooking and tasting it, then I usually just add now a bit of paprika and what is it, bit of cayenne pepper. Yeah, I actually add everything if I feel like everything is less, and I do put salt also a bit. Yeah, you must try it, guys. It was very tasty. Oh, another thing, my SAMP, I boiled it with it's mutton bones. There was a bit of meat, but mainly it was just bones, just for, you know, just for the taste. My family like it like that, but with me, I can eat this without meat. I don't mind it at all. Yeah, so yeah, guys. Yeah, so another thing, I like to mash my beans down. If you haven't tried it like that, you must give it a try. It just brings the beans to another level. They taste so nice. Yeah, so I like it like that. And another thing that I learned on the day, because I boiled my beans and my mom was here, She was asking me, did you rinse the beans? And she never told me about rinsing the beans. She has been cooking the beans like we grow up with beans. She cooks the best beans ever, but I never knew that I have to rinse the beans. And yeah, so I'll try it next time. I'll rinse it next time. I never rinse the beans. I just wash it before I cook it. Then after that, I boil it up until it's done. Then I fry it. Yeah, so I don't know if you all guys are you also rinsing the beans like they say you rinse it like you're rinsing rice. I've never done that. Yeah, so yeah, because she says if you do like that, then you don't get so much heartburn, because sometimes beans it create that heartburn. So she said you don't get heartburn if you struggle with heartburn. So I'll try it next time. Hopefully it will taste different, or maybe heartburn won't trouble me, because sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Guys, the weather was perfect. As you can see, the fireplace, and I was enjoying my favorite food, guys. Yeah, guys, so these are the biscuits are coming here. Yeah, they're so tasty. Perfect. Anyway, for any funeral, it doesn't matter how the biscuit tastes, they will always get finished, but these were yummy. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next upload. Bye bye.